Hey guys, so one of my big problems with my table saw is it's too low to the ground, and when I'm trying to cut stuff on my outfeed table, it always catches on the table. So what I've done before is put these blocks underneath my table saw legs. I didn't like that, they slipped. So what I did 6 or 8 months ago, I added threaded inserts on the bottom of this DeWalt table saw and put a 1/4 inch 20 nut inside the wood at the base. I'll link to the other video where I do that here. But as you can see, this 1/4 inch 20 just wasn't thick enough. So what I've done is re-drilled a hole for this big 3/8 thread, 3/8 inch bolts. This should give me a lot more strength. We're going to try it out. Let me show you how to install this.
I hope this gives you ideas to make your shop better. Thanks for watching.